I don't know if you guys heard something about Victoria Justice and some other models getting their photos hacked, their nudes or something. Even here in Japan. I just got here and they're showing the news that Victoria Justice photos got leaked in Japan. There are phones you can make international phone calls. Cost $10 for a card. Here's some more vending machines on the 7th floor where I'm staying. I'm gonna get a couple of beers. I was gonna go to the main city right now, but the bus didn't show up. So I got a instant ramen, a couple of beers, and just watch some TV. Here's my room, 736. There's a convenience store down at the lobby. I bought a few items. Here's some Doritos. I don't know if it's like Taco Bell flavored or just taco. I can't really read it. Mickey something. I don't know. I'm guessing taco Doritos. Here's Fanta raspberry, but it's white colored. Obviously need Pocky. Some chocolate bar. I'm gonna store these goodies in my refrigerator. Got a fridge here. There's no microwave though. I think this is for making tea. Here's a closet. Even slippers there. Here's the bathroom again. Phone if you need a call for an emergency. Soap. My handle, tub, sink. Here's some buttons. There's a button to clean your butt. Maybe if you don't want to wash, or you don't want to clean it with paper, you can wash your butt with water. Let's test it out. Oh no. I don't know. It doesn't. No, it's not working. Maybe you have to be sitting down on it for it to. Whoa! So since I didn't get to go to the Narita station because the bus didn't show up, my girlfriend made me mad. I ended up getting a cup of noodles, but this one's curry flavored. I think it'll be interesting to find out that flavor. Here's to the first night in Japan. Just took a shower. I'm gonna eat my cup of noodles, curry flavor. Asahi. Have another one. Wake up early and we'll go to Akihabara, anime capital of the world. I'll be sure to record a ton of videos there. Cheers.